Next topic, herbs. In this topic, we are discussing about different types of herbs and its preparations. First one, Angelica. Root, stems and seeds are used in dessert and gin production. Basil. Leaves are used in preparation of soup, salad, sausage, pasta and pesto sauce. Borage leaf. In borage, leaves, flower and seeds are used. Mostly leaves are used in salad and the flowers are used in garnish. Bay leaf used in bouquet and various meat dishes. And bay leaf is one of the common ingredient in Indian masalas. Next one, coriander. Leaves and dried seeds are used in India, Southeast Asia, Mexico and South American cuisine. Dill. Leaves and seeds are used in fish, soup, egg dishes and sauces. Chicory. Leaves are used in salads while the roots are served as baked food. Fennel. Leaves, seeds and roots are used for fish, poultry and salads. Fenugreek. Seeds and leaves are used in curries, chutneys and salads. Garlic. Cloves are used in sauce, stew, salads and curries. Next one, marjoram. Leaves are used in sausages, meat, potato dish, soups and stews. Next one, mint. There are various types of mints are there. Spearmint used in sauces and jelly, apple mint used in salads, bolus mint used in salads, peppermint used in cream of mint. Next one, marjoram. Leaves are used in sausages, meat, potato dish, soups and stews. Next one, mint. There are various types of mints are there. Spearmint used in sauces and jelly, apple mint used in salads, bolus mint used in salads, peppermint used in cream of mint. It's basically cream of mint. It's a soup. Horse mint used in curries and chutneys. Parsley. Leaves, root and seeds are used for various preparations. Rosemary. Leaves are used in chicken, meat and fish preparation. Next one, oregano. Used in various Italian preparation, meat dishes and salads. Sage. Leaves are used in pork and duck preparation. Thyme. Leaves are used to flavor the soup, stew, roast meat dishes and poultry stuffings. Tarragon. Leaves are used for salads and sauces. Next topic, spices. First one, allspice. Grows in West Indies. Tastes like nutmeg, cinnamon and cloves. Used in baking, pickling and savory dish. Anise pepper. Peppery flavor used in Chinese five spice powder. Anise pepper, cassia, cloves, fennel, star anise. They are the five main ingredients used in Chinese five spice powder. Caraway grows in Holland, used in cakes, breads and cheese. Cassia used as a substitute for cinnamon. Anise seed used for flavoring cake. Next one, cayenne pepper made from a type of red chili pepper used in curries, white sauce, soups and stews. Cinnamon. Dried bark is taken from a branches of a tree of laurel family grows in Ceylon. Cloves. Dried unopened flower bud of an evergreen tree. Coriander seed. It's a small fruit of a plant of the parsley family. Grows in southern Europe and India. Used in curries and powder. Cumin. Dried fruit of a plant used in curry powder and pickling. Next one, ginger. Used in various preparation, sold as root, powder or pickled form. Galangal. Like ginger within fainted flavor of camphor, used in Southeast Asia for various preparation. Juniper berries. Used in preparing marinades, roasting games and flavoring gin. Maize. The husk of a nutmeg used for flavoring fish, sausages and various other Indian preparation. Nutmeg, the kernel of the maize fruit used for custard and pudding. Fenugreek, seeds are used in various Indian preparation. Paprika, a bright red powder made from certain varieties of pepper used in goulash, meat, chicken dishes. Saffron, the stigma of crocus used for color and flavor. Star anise, used in various oriental preparation and Indian curries and masalas. Sesame, oil is used for flavoring. Turmeric, it is the root of a plant belonging to the ginger family, used in curry powder and other Indian preparation. Poppy seed, used in bread and cakes.